acts like a back exercise, but it's actually more for your core than anything else. So I'm here, opposite arm, opposite leg. This leg's going back, that's flat. Core's tight. Core tight, not like in, but like till like I can arch my back like that.
Yeah.
Looks sexy, right? So instead, I pull my rib cage down, so my abs are tight. My hands go here, and then I'm basically gonna resist motion through my core because the dumbbell's trying to like pull me that way, and I'm like, no, I'm gonna row. So now, due to the dynamic nature of the dumbbell, like going up and down, I'm able to resist through my core. Just feel that out. And like, if I add more weight, it's gonna pull me more. So while I'm still kind of training my back, I'm also getting a ton of core work by resisting like that pull from the dumbbell.